So anyone has completed the verses part? No one.
I have
No
not.
one did
No,
that.
no.
Okay. Maybe try on this weekend if you get time.
Yes, for sure this weekend.
Okay. So we have to build views like this for the user. So I will tell you one thing. Uh, let's decide. Let's think on this one again. So the user will initially go to this page. I will show you which page. User will go to this index page initially. Then there will be versus page. Or, you know, if I remove this versus, maybe I can say detail page. Let's say detail page. And how will be the detail page look like? Detail page will be having detail page of religion. Will be having some details of the religion. In the top part, there will be details of religion. What is this religion about? And what is the description? What is the image of the religion? And the bottom part of the page will have all the verses. Okay, so we will be having two sections. One will be the top where I can show the religion details, and bottom one will be having the verses part. Let's go to the project 100. So now before going through further, let's create a template which we will integrate on our website. So I will create a new file. In the new, I will go to the template page, and in the template, I will choose a PHP template and I'll say create. Once template is created, since this template is HTML4, we need to make HTML5. So I will do some changes in this template to make it like a HTML5. So what changes I have to do? So this is the doc type for the HTML4. Let's change this doc type to this one. So I will change this doc type to this one. Then I have HTML only here. Here I have little bit more, so I will replace with HTML. And I have meta character UTF-8. Here we have UTF-8. So this is the changes I will do to make it HTML5. So now my template is HTML5 template, and I will name it my template as my religion template. And just I'll say save. Once it is saved, you will see template is saved in this folder called as template with the name of myreligion.dwt.php. Now I will put Bootstrap CSS in this template. Let's put Bootstrap CSS. I think Bootstrap is changed to 4 number. It has some different things which we might have not done it. So they just now maybe released it. Since yesterday it was not like this. It was Bootstrap 3 only. Let's see what's coming in Bootstrap 4. Okay. Let's see what is there in Bootstrap 4. So right now we will use Bootstrap 3 because a lot of code I know is of Bootstrap 3. I don't want to jump to Bootstrap 4 now till I experiment it further with the Bootstrap 4. They released it now only, maybe today or yesterday. So let's go with the Bootstrap 3. I'll find the link of Bootstrap 3. Bootstrap 3 CDN. Okay, this is the version. Let's take this link, which is of Bootstrap 3, and I will put it here inside above head. This is my CSS link. I can also put the JavaScript link. We can put JavaScript link at the top or in the body at the bottom. Either way we can put it. Right now let's put it here, and I will also put the jQuery one. So I'll put the jQuery link also. Let's put jQuery link. Bin source. Let's put this one above Bootstrap. Let's say script source equal to this one, and I will use I will remove HTTPS colon. And what is the meaning of removing HTTPS colon? Means if my server is HTTP, it will take HTTP. If my server is HTTPS, it will take HTTPS. That's the reason I removed this HTTPS colon and I remain only //. If it is //, and based on my server, it will automatically take HTTPS or it will take HTTP. So it is, I will either choose one of them. Okay, so this is my template. I will put some content here, body, and I will select this body and I'll go to modify, templates, not modify, insert, template object, editable region. I will make the body editable region. That means this body, wherever this body is there, that part will be editable and I can edit that part in any of my page. Top navigation and bottom navigation will be fixed. I cannot change that, but this body will be changed on every page. So I have to make this as an editable template. So I will go to the template object and I'll make editable region. This way, on every page, some part will be editable where I can put the content. You will know more when we will build the template, when we will attach this template to any of the page. Let's go to now Bootstrap. Okay, let's go to get started and see some examples which we will follow for now. Let's take this example. Drop down. Yeah, let's take this navigation. I want this navigation. So I will view source and I'll take this navigation. And I will put this navigation about this editable region. See, this is the editable region. Template begin name editable region. And this region will be different for every page. So this body tag will be different for every page. So if it is my religion, this body tag will be replaced by religion. If it is versus page, this body tag will be replaced with the versus tag. This code about this template begin editable. This is not editable. This is only editable in this template. I cannot edit the part above this line. I can only insert it in this template, but in other pages I cannot edit it. I will save this one. So this is my navigation, and I will create some footer, which I will fill later. Right now I'm just marking the tag footer, and this footer will also be, I can edit in this template. I cannot edit in all the pages. I will say this is my footer. So this is all about my template. I will improve this template later on. Right now I'm just putting some dummy text. So this template is ready. Now I will go to index page. Now this is the detail page. When user will click detail page, I will send the user to detail of the religion, and then I will send the user to detailed religion page, and then I will show verses there. So let's create one detail page. I will name it as a detail.php. I have to put it inside the my religion folder. By mistake, I put outside it. So let's take this and put it here. So my detail page is here. I will open it. So first step I will do is I will attach the template which I created. I created this template. I want all my pages to get this template. So all will have the top navigation part, and the footer which I created in this template, it will be copied to all the pages. So I will go to the detail page and I will say templates. It's not showing here. I will go and again go to this template object. This is also not the right place. Okay, apply template. I will go to the modify templates and I will say apply template to the page. When I say apply template to the page, all my templates will be appeared here, and I'll click one of the template which I created and I'll click OK. So the template which I created here is copied to my detail page. Now whenever I change the template, my detail page will also change. Here I will say religion. That's it, and I will put the name of the religion shortly. So here I will build my religion one. So first step in the religion is I have to create the record set, because I want to show the details of the religion. I will create the record set of the religion. So I will say rs religion, and here I will see connection, and I will say religion. I want to only show the religion with the status of 1. If it is status of 0 or something, I don't want to show that. So I will say religion status is equal to entered value. I will put some value, entered value as 1. Ultimately I have to do this kind of thing. Religion status equal to 1. Right now I don't want to do it because there are some we have to think more about it on this filtering. Right now I'm showing it whatever religion ID I'm passing in the URL. So I'll say religion ID is equal to URL parameter religion ID. So I will be passing religion ID in the URL, and that religion I want to show on this page. So I'm saying religion ID equal to URL parameter religion ID. Paste it. I will pass 1, and this record will be shown. I will say OK. The first thing is here I want to put some top header text. So let's delete this body part, and I will say h1. I'll put some class, and I will put some text. Here I will update the class in short time. And inside the h1 tag, I will go to the bindings panel, and I'll click the record set of the religion, and I will drag the religion name here. Drag the religion name here. Now what I want to do, I created the bootstrap from the, put the bootstrap from the URL, some third-party URL. But it's better I should save this bootstrap on my local file system, and I should call from that file system. So let's copy this one, and I will take the source code and copy it my local file system. So that way it will be in my local system. So I will copy this file name, and I will go here, and in the my religion I will create a folder called as CSS. Inside CSS I will create a file bootstrap.min.css, and I will take this whole content and I will paste it here. This bootstrap is locally in my system. Now to call this local file system, I will say it should go to the local file system. Now templates is located here. I want to go one level outside the template. That means template should go one level outside, and then I want to go inside the my religion, and inside my religion I have to go to CSS folder. So how will I write it? So I have to go one level back. When I want to go one level back, I will put two dots. Then I have to go into the religion folder. What is the religion folder? This is my religion folder. And I will put 001 my religion. And then I will say CSS folder. So I will go into CSS folder and I will say bootstrap min dot CSS. Then I will delete all this extra stuff. I don't need it. Since I updated the template, it is asking me to update the detail page because I created the detail page with this template. The template is myreligion.dwt.php. So it's asking to update the detail page. I will click this and I'll say update. And I'll minimize it. It will automatically update it. I will save this one. So let's put some class here. So once I've saved locally this file, Bootstrap, now I can see all the classes in the Bootstrap file. I can choose any class I want. So let's choose one of the class. Let's choose one of the class. Maybe I'm just seeing which are the classes available. Yeah, this one, I like this one, page header. I will take this h1 tag and I will put it in container. So I will create a div with class container, and inside that I will put all my contents. So this h1 tag should go inside the container. So right now I am putting only page header, which you can see here is a page header. Let's check this in the browser. So I'll go to the index.php page. I will link this detail page to my detail.php file. So I will say my religion detail.php, and in the end I will pass religion underscore ID is equal to, when I said religion ID equal to, then I have to pass the religion ID. Okay, so I am passing the religion ID. Now let's check it in the. I will also upload all the files to my server. So I'll select my religion. I'll say put. So it will put all the files on the server. Now I will click the detail page. So you will see it is going to my template. It is going to the Hindu religion here, but it is overlapping with the navigation. I don't want it. So what I will do, I will create one CSS style sheet where I will put my custom CSS code. So in the CSS folder, I'll create a new file called as style.css. And here in the style.css, I will put some custom code which I want to put it. Like I want to move this Hindu religion little bit down. And I will create a link for my custom class. So I will say inside the CSS, I will say style.css because I created a file name with style.css, and it's asking me to update the detail.php because I changed the template. I will say update. So now I will put in the style sheet. I will say body tag should have padding top of 50 pixels. So in the top, the text will move little bit down. I'm saying padding top equal to 50 pixels. So you will see this part is moving down. Let's delete this footer now. I don't want to disturb. I'm getting disturbed with this footer, so I don't want this footer now. Later on, I will put the footer when my whole site will be ready. So let's delete the footer. Okay, now I'll save it. And I'll refresh the page. So footer is gone. I will add the footer later on. Let's keep the footer. So this is my heading of the Hindu religion. Now I want something here. I want the image of my religion, and here I want some description of my religion. So I will create two columns. So I want to create two columns here. one for the image, one for the description. So I will, after h1 tag, I will create one. I will comment it every time. I will comment it what I am doing. To comment in the HTML, we use this tag. And here I will say the religion content. That means I am putting religion content here. So here I have to create two columns. So I will say div class equal to row. First I have to create a div with class row. Inside row I have to create two divs, one for the left side, one for the right side. I'll say div class of whole MD. Left side will be image, on the right side it will be description. So let's make left side as a 3, and let's make 3 columns, and middle column will be also of 6. Total we have to make 12 columns, 12 number. So 3 plus 6 equal to 9, 9 plus 3 equal to 12. So overall should be 12 number. If I am creating only one div, then it should be 12 value. If I am creating 2 div, so total number should be 12. One maybe 1, 3, 9, 5, 5, 5, 7, 6, 6. So total should be 12. Since I am creating 3 div, the total should be 12. That means 3, 6, and 3. So here on in the left side, I want to put the image. So let's put the image. Image source equal to, I will put the source here. Let's put the class for the image. Class for the image will be here. Lot of image classes are given by the Bootstrap. I will choose the image responsive, and I will also put one more class that will be image. What was the class available? Let's check what are the other classes available. Image, circle, rounded, thumbnail. Okay, responsive is fine. Only responsive is fine, at least. And this image source should come from the database. That is this image, religion image. So I will copy this religion image here. So I'm saying left side should be religion image with the class of image responsive. Let's check this. So this is my image of my religion. Okay, so left side will be the image. In the center part, there will be description of the religion. So, or let's put only right now, I will make 2 columns. One I will make 5 and second one will be 7. I will make only 2 columns, 5 and 7. One side is the left side is the image. Since I increase the column, the image size becomes bigger. So this looks little nicer. If I say, this is the image. If I make it image thumbnail, then see the changes. If I put additional image thumbnail and if I refresh it now, you will see a little border on the side. So it looks much better than previous one. So this is my religion. On the right side, I will put some details that what is this religion and all. So on the right side, this is my right side. I will try to drag the description. Let's put the description. Let's put each one in its own div tag. I will create a div tag and I'll put a description. Then we have creation date. I don't want it. Status. I don't want it. Religion type. I don't want to show it to public. Maybe I can show it's a closed or one. Let's put one more div tag, and I will drag this religion type. I'll say religion type. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, so this is my text coming, and then this is coming the type. In reality, it will be a little bigger because there will be a lot of text on it. I just put a sample text of Hindu religion, and religion type is public. If I want to make this first letter capital of this one, I can say UC first. As UC first, it will capitalize the first letter. So it's saying public. The religion type public, and this is a description. Right now we don't have too much content, so it is not showing much. Later on we will put a lot of description on it. That will show more description on the side. So this is about all my religion part at the top. Now at the bottom part, I will create the verses. So everyone will be able to see the verses below it. So let's create another verses part. Here I will say H3. I need only H1, one H1 tag and rest all H3 tag. Here I want the verses. Let's name it as verses. So this is my verses kind of thing. Now here whole verses will come. So let's check the verses. Right now I'm not putting any check or any condition of status. Later on I will change the status to only one. Right now I'm just showing all the verses for this religion, and later on we will change it to some different. That means later on we will change it to the particular status. Let's create a record set. Since we want to display the data, I need to create a record set. So I'll say record set rs verses, and in the verses I will choose the religion view, and in the religion view I will choose the religion ID. That means for this religion ID I want to show all the verses. That's the reason I am choosing religion ID. I will say OK. So once I OK, the record set is created here. Now what I will do, I will create a dynamic table. Insert application object, dynamic table, and I'll say dynamic table. So which record set you want to show? RS verses, because religion is already at the top. I want to show verses below. How many verses per page you want to show? Let's say I will say 25. And I'll say OK. Now once I say OK, you will see a table will be created. Now fields which I don't want, I will delete it. So verse ID, I don't want it to be shown. User ID, I don't want it to be shown. Religion ID, don't want to be shown. I want to show the description. So I will say verse description. Category ID, I want to show category, not the category ID. So I will convert this category ID to the category. So let's rename it to category, and we will convert the ID to the category. I will show you in some time how to create the category ID. Created I don't want to show to the users. Status I don't want to show to the users. Regarding image, I want to show the first image here. On the first column, I want to show the first image. And let's say user has put 5 images, 10 images. I don't want to show all the images on this page. I only want to show first image on the first column. So we will see how to do that. Right now I am just moving this images part here. I don't want to show video and links here on this page. Instead of this one, I will say detail verse page. So there will be another page that is called the detail verse page, where user will go and see the videos and links and all the images of that verse. Because here I want to show only the list of the verses with a description. That is the description with the category. But if you want to see the videos for that verse, if you want to see more things on that verse, so you will have to go to detail of that verse page. If you want to like this one, I will say like also. So you can like this verse. If you are the admin, you can, if you have created this religion, then you can edit, you cannot edit this one. You can delete this religion verse and then recreate another verse with the same details, but you cannot edit it. I don't want people to edit it. I will just give the delete link to the admin, and he can add similar words separately. This is the detail words, so I will make it bold. Now to make this table look good, I will put some surrounding bootstrap class. And what is that class? What is the name we did? Life reminder. This is the class from this life reminder. I don't have reminder. Let's create reminder to see the text. Okay, so this is the table I want to see. I want similar table. So if you see, I have taken these two classes. I will copy these two classes. And I will put it surrounding this one. The table is only with table border 1. I will change it with div class table responsive and table class table and table stripped. Since I created the div tag, I want to close the div tag after table. So this is my table created. I also want the pagination. So let's give the pagination. I want to show the numbering in the pagination. Okay, so this one is my verses, and if I don't have any verse for this religion, let's select all, and if I don't have any verse for the religion, I will not show this part. So I will say show region if record set is not empty. That means some verses should be there, then only I will show this. Otherwise I will not show the bottom part. So this is about my thing. Let's put this code outside the div tag. I created the div tag and I don't want this code inside the div tag. And this p tag should close. Sometimes Dreamweaver does not create, it messes up the things. So we need to manually fix it. So p tag start here and end here. This is a table for the navigation. Yeah, so this one looks good. Let's go and see it here. Okay, so the first line is images, which is showing the string. Since it is big string, it is scrolling on the right side. So we don't need this so much big string. So what we will do, what we did in the admin views page, let's take that one. This is the view image one. I will copy the code from here. So I did this thing in the admin part. Let's copy this and put it in my detail one. One second. Okay, let's do it here. So here I will copy that part. And here, since we have verses, I will copy row verses, here verses. I will change it to verses, and the images will come. And previously we were using the for loop because we wanted to show all the image link. But right now I don't want to show all the image link. I want to show only the one image link. I don't want all. So I will create an image tag with the source, and I will say class of image responsive, and the image will be $V. The image will be, since I don't want all the images to loop, so I will delete the for loop for each. I don't need for each because I don't want to loop multiple times. I want only one image, that is the first image. I don't want to show all the image here. All the images will be shown on the detail page. So if I want to show only the first image, I can say like this: echo color images, and first image will be having the key of 0. So I will say 0. Echo dollar image is 0. So it will take only the first image and show it. So let's refresh it. Okay, now also it's showing bigger one because of this text. Let's delete this text so that it should show smaller image. So I will delete this image here. This list of images got deleted. Let's refresh the page. Okay, now also it's going too big. I don't want so big. We need to fix that also. So this image is going so big. That's the reason I don't want so big image here. Let's do it. Let's try to fix that one. Let's put it in some div tag, and we will try to give some class to the div tag. So this is my div tag. So I will say max width equal to, maybe I can say 250 pixel. Okay, so once I say max width of 250 pixel, it got reduced to the size. Let me put a border and see how it is going. Border of 1 pixel solid. This one is going too far. I don't like this so much spacing going too far. Why it's going too far? This is having so much big. Okay, let's try to see. It's having the padding of 8 and border of 1. Okay, width is little more. Okay, we will fix this part tomorrow. We'll try to fix this tomorrow or later time. Right now, just I will leave it as it is. And that's it for today. We build the verses, we build the religion, and we will be having the detail verse, that is the detail page. And a user can like it and user can delete it if it's admin. If it's not admin, we will not show this part. So that checking we will do tomorrow. And I will commit this now. If you want to grab my copy,